Hey there, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm really glad you're here. If you've ever found it tough to save money or make your paycheck last, this is for you, because today I'm sharing something that could completely transform your finances. Head over to saveandearnclub.com to get started. Everything seems to cost more these days, and it's harder to make your money stretch. Every time you shop or fill up your tank, you feel those prices climbing. You're not alone. Millions are feeling the squeeze. But you don't have to just accept it. Now's the time to rethink how you handle your money and discover smarter ways to save and earn. The old tricks aren't cutting it anymore, so let's explore new strategies that actually work for you. Even small steps can make a big difference, so let's jump in. One of the easiest and most rewarding ways to boost your savings is by inviting your friends and family to join Save Club. Every time you sign someone up, you unlock special rewards and bonuses, helping you reach your financial goals even faster. And it's not just about you. You're helping build a community where everyone can succeed together. It's super easy to get started. Just share your unique link and watch your network and your savings grow. Take action now. Invite others, earn more, and make a real difference, one sign up at a time. Join Save Club today and unlock your path to financial freedom. This truly is your Save and Earn Club. Enter Save Club, a practical solution for anyone looking to save money and earn extra income. It's more than a business that helps everyday people. It's a community empowering people to take control of their finances, with exclusive deals on everyday purchases and the chance to earn weekly by sharing with others. Save Club is a win-win. You don't need experience, just a willingness to share and save. Getting started is simple and the benefits are real. Save Club is your ticket to real savings on things you use every day. Imagine planning a vacation or dining out and always getting the best deals through Save Club. From groceries to gas, clothing to electronics, you keep more money in your pocket. But there's more. Save Club lets you earn by sharing these savings. As a member, you get a unique referral link to share with friends, family, and co-workers. When someone joins through your link, you earn a commission. Saving and earning has never been easier. Affiliate marketing sounds complicated, but Save Club makes it simple for everyone. You're not selling products people don't need. You're sharing a service everyone wants, saving money. No need to be a marketing expert or influencer. People are naturally interested in saving, so sharing Save Club is easy and rewarding. You get all the tools and support you need to succeed. It's a win-win. Help others save and get rewarded for it. Save Club is a supportive community focused on financial well-being. You join a network of people all working towards saving, earning, and building a brighter future. The platform is simple and accessible, no special skills required. Connect, share tips, and celebrate successes together. Save Club empowers anyone to take control of their finances. Here's how you earn with Save Club. Refer others and get paid for every person who joins through your link. The commission structure is straightforward. Earn direct commissions for each sign-up. Plus, enjoy residual income as your referrals continue to save and earn. Build a network and your earning potential grows. Help others save and watch your income multiply. It's all about creating a ripple effect of savings and rewards. The real magic is in leverage. Earn not just from your referrals, but from your team's referrals too. As your network grows, so does your income. Refer a few people, they refer others, and suddenly your team and your earnings expand. Your income isn't limited by your own efforts. It's about building a team that works together for financial success. Save Club's simplicity is what makes it so appealing. No marketing experience needed. Just use the provided tools and resources. The platform is user-friendly, with team members to help you succeed. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, you can easily get started and track your progress. Anyone can create an extra income stream with Save Club. Forget pushy sales tactics. With Save Club, affiliate marketing can be simple and easy. It's about sharing a service that helps people save on what they already buy. It's a natural, authentic way to help others and earn at the same time. You're not convincing anyone to buy what they don't need, just introducing them to real savings. With Save Club, you're sharing genuine value, not making a hard sell. Start conversations about saving money and reaching financial goals. Share your own positive experiences. People respond to authenticity. Word of mouth is powerful. Your enthusiasm can inspire others to join. Focus on helping, not selling. When you share what works for you, others will want to learn more. You don't need to be a marketing pro to share Save Club. Simple, authentic stories work best. Share your savings and successes. Use social media to highlight benefits, post testimonials, and create buzz. Short videos and attention-grabbing posts can make a big impact. If you message people directly, keep it concise and personal. The goal is to start a conversation, not overwhelm with information. In the world of business and opportunity, timing is everything. The difference between catching the next big thing and missing out often comes down to a single decision made at just the right moment. Every day, new opportunities emerge, but only those who act quickly and decisively are able to truly capitalize on them and reap the rewards. Think about some of the most successful companies and trends. Those who got in early rode the wave of momentum all the way to the top. They saw the potential before it was obvious to everyone else, and that vision paid off in a big way for them. Save Club is experiencing that same surge of growth right now, and honestly, the earlier you join, the better positioned you are to capitalize on it. Early adopters are already seeing the benefits, and the window of opportunity is wide open for those ready to take action and make a difference. Imagine joining a gold rush when the first whispers of gold are discovered. The excitement, the anticipation, and the chance to be among the first to uncover something truly valuable. It's a rare moment that doesn't come around often in life. You have the opportunity to stake your claim and establish yourself before the masses arrive. By acting now, you can secure your place and set the foundation for long-term success. That's the power of early adoption. You're not just joining a platform, you're becoming part of a movement in its infancy. You help shape the culture, the community, and the future direction of Save Club. As more and more people recognize the incredible value Save Club offers, the network effect is just going to keep snowballing. Each new member adds to the momentum, making the community stronger and more rewarding for everyone. More members mean more referrals, more savings, and more income potential for everyone involved. The benefits multiply as the community grows, creating a win-win for all. By joining early, you're positioning yourself to benefit not just from your own efforts, but from the collective growth of the entire Save Club community. Your success is amplified by the achievements of those around you. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Moments like this are rare, and those who hesitate often look back wishing they had acted sooner. The momentum is building, and now is the time to jump on board and ride the wave of success with Save Club. Make your move today and be part of something extraordinary from the very beginning. One of the most attractive features of Save Club is its incredibly affordable entry point, making it accessible to just about anyone who wants to take control of their financial future and start building a better tomorrow. For less than the cost of your daily cup of coffee, you can unlock access to a world of savings, earning potential, and a supportive community that's ready to help you succeed every step of the way. That's right. For just $19.97 a month, you can become a Save Club member and start transforming your financial well-being from day one with tools and resources designed for real results. Think about the value you get for that small investment. It's not just about saving money. It's about opening doors to new opportunities and building habits that can last a lifetime, empowering you to make smarter choices. You're not just gaining access to exclusive discounts and deals. You're tapping into a proven system that can help you generate passive income, connect with like-minded people, and build a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. The potential return on your investment is honestly limitless. With the right mindset and a little effort, the possibilities are truly endless and can take you further than you ever imagined. Of course, it's important to remember that with any opportunity, there's always an element of risk involved, and it's wise to consider your options carefully before making a decision. But with Save Club, the risk is minimal, especially when you consider the low cost of entry and the many ways you can benefit from being a member. You can literally earn back your initial investment with just a single referral, making it a virtually risk-free opportunity to improve your financial well-being and even help others do the same along the way. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from taking a step that could change your life for the better and open up new possibilities. The small monthly investment in Save Club pales in comparison to the potential rewards that await you, so why not take the leap and see what you can achieve for yourself? Remember that powerful network effect we talked about earlier? The earlier you join Save Club, the faster you can start building your team and tapping into that exponential growth potential. As your team expands, so do your earning opportunities. Think of it like planting a tree. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. The same principle applies to Save Club. The sooner you plant your seed and start building your network, the sooner you'll reap the rewards. As your team grows, you'll not only be earning commissions from their memberships, but you'll also be creating a ripple effect of savings and financial empowerment. Your referrals will be sharing Save Club with their networks, and their referrals will be sharing it with theirs, and so on. It's a beautiful cycle of growth and abundance. So, what are you waiting for? Don't delay your success any longer. Join Save Club today and start building your legacy of savings and financial freedom. One of the most inspiring things about Save Club is how it's changing the lives of people from all walks of life in real, tangible ways. Every day, new stories come in from members and affiliates who never thought they could take control of their financial future so easily, yet now they're doing just that. These aren't tech experts or financial pros, they're regular people who wanted something better for themselves and their families. People just like you and me, facing the same challenges and hopes. Whether you're a single parent who is struggling to make ends meet, or a person working a job and looking to start an online business, your story can be a powerful example of what's possible with the right support and a little encouragement. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, always worrying about bills and never having enough for yourself or your family, the stress can be overwhelming and seem never-ending. Here comes Save Club. It can be a turning point, an opportunity you almost missed, but one that can change everything for you and your family. At first, you may have been skeptical, but you can decide to give it a try. The idea of a supportive community and real savings is too good to ignore. Even if it seems too good to be true, it is good and it is true. In your first month, you can save over $100 on groceries and essentials just by using Save Club discounts. For the first time in a long while, you can feel hope and relief. But it doesn't stop there. You could help others too, and that can make you even more motivated. You can start sharing Save Club with friends and family and coworkers, and soon your excitement can spread. Your circle can save too, and they will thank you for it. Word can spread like wildfire, and you can build a small team or a big team of Save Club members and affiliates. Together, they can support each other and celebrate their wins, small and big. Those savings soon can become a steady stream of extra income, letting you finally breathe easy and focus on your family's future with confidence. Save Club can be a game changer for you. It's not just about the money, it's about the confidence and freedom that comes with it and the ability to dream again. You can finally be in control of your finances and have peace of mind knowing you can provide for yourself and your family. That sense of security is truly priceless. Or you may be retired and want to supplement your pension and enjoy your retirement without financial worries or stress. You may have been skeptical of get-rich-quick schemes, but Save Club's honest, straightforward approach resonates and is trustworthy. Maybe you like that it isn't about selling products, but sharing a platform that could truly help people in meaningful ways. You can share your Save Club journey online, inspiring others in your community to take action and believe in themselves. You can post about travel deals, discounts, and the joy of earning extra income in retirement. Your stories can encourage others to believe in new possibilities and opportunities. Your enthusiasm can be contagious, and soon your friends and neighbors can join in, eager to experience the same benefits and financial relief. Your story can show it's never too late to take control of your finances and achieve freedom. No matter your age or background, there's always a path forward if you're willing to try. With Save Club, age is just a number, and the potential for growth is limitless. Ordinary people are achieving extraordinary results, and you could be next to join them. I don't think people understand just how powerful joining Save Club is. You've heard about Save Club, truly the Save and Earn Club, witnessed the simplicity of the system, and felt the urgency of joining early. Now the question is, are you ready to unlock your own potential with Save Club? This is your chance to break free from financial limitations, embrace a community of like-minded individuals, and take control of your financial destiny. There's never been a better time to join the Save Club movement and start experiencing the transformative power of saving and earning. Remember, you don't need any special skills or prior experience to succeed with Save Club. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and you'll have access to a wealth of resources and support to guide you every step of the way. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to saveandearnclub.com right now and lock in your spot in the Save Club community. Start saving on your everyday purchases, earning weekly income, and building a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. The opportunity is knocking. Will you answer the call? Join Save Club today and unlock a world of possibilities. And don't forget to check out saveandearnclub.com.